What's good, y'all? It's your boy Anf, and I'm back with another video. Now, I told y'all stay tuned for the next one, because today gonna be a crazy day, so depending on whatever the title of this video is, I haven't decided yet, it's gonna be lit. So, y'all gotta stay tuned for today's festivities, because, like I said, it's gonna be lit. So right now, we are headed to the PA Auto Show. Those that are from PA probably know what that is by now. It is a big auto show. I've actually never been to one, so I don't know how big it is, but it's at the farm show in Central PA. Now, as of right now, I only know of a certain type of car that's going to be there. So like I said, judging by the thumbnail and title of this video, you guys may or may not know what that car is. But I'm not even going to ramble too much. I just want to get right into it. So right now, woke up a little late, but it's okay. We're not behind schedule. And right now it's about 11:30 in the morning, which is okay. I'm not too behind schedule. I just woke up later than I wanted to. So we're just gonna head straight there. But first, I gotta stop at the ATM, grab something to drink, maybe a bite to eat, because like I said, I just woke up, so I haven't drank or eaten anything. And then we're gonna head right there. And let's just say that possibility might run into two individuals at the auto show today. And yes, they are YouTubers. But that's the only hint I'm going to give you guys right now, so you guys stay tuned. So just like that, about to head to the ATM, get something to drink, grab a bite to eat, and we go head right to the auto show. Well, as y'all can see, we are here. Well, y'all, we have made it to the farm show / auto show. Hopefully I know where the hell to go in. I had to walk almost a block because I'm one of those people where I refuse to pay to park unless I absolutely have to, and I don't even know how much it is to pay to park here. Parked about a block away. I'll walk before I had to pay. I know, I'm cheap, but it's okay. Now, you guys know I'm more of an American muscle kind of guy, but I think I look good in the drop-top Benz coupe. Actually kind of on the tighter side. Damn. I think I have no legroom in here. Nope, I'm not getting no more legroom. Does the seat go down? I don't even know how to control this shit. But this is nice. I never understood why Mercedes was so expensive, but I can kind of see why. Because they're killing the luxury game. And this is a 2015. It's not even brand new. I do love those red seats, though. This is probably my favorite one here. This is probably my favorite one here. I love the outside brown color of this car. Now, you guys know I'm not big on the tan interior, but if it was black, oh yeah, I'd be sold on this. I'm not even a drop top person, but I think Mercedes is probably the only type of car that I would get as a convertible, just because they look better as a convertible, because there's a lot of cars out there that look hideous as a convertible. This is nice. Check out this damn interior. Woo. Oh my goodness. Now you ain't fitting nobody in those back seats though. Yeah, this is nice. I definitely can't afford this shit though. Okay, now I am not even a fan of BMW, but I like this gray color.
Especially with these seats. Oh my god. This is fucking nice. I'm not even a luxury person, but I can understand why these types of cars are so expensive. Now, I low-key still have a love for Nissan at heart. And if I get any other Nissan besides my car, I'll get one of these brand new Maximas. These ones are fucking nice. I don't know what it is I love about these things. It's a little tight in here because the seat is like set for a small person. I can't adjust the seating. I know it can go back more because I've seen people of my size sit in this car. But this is pretty nice. I low-key wish I had one of these new Maximas instead of my damn car. I don't know. Maybe in the future. Nah, I gotta get that Challenger. Forget a damn Maxima. I mean, if I had the bread, I'd get a Maxima. This Maxima as a daily driver, along with the Challenger. But Challenger first. This is very nice. Uh-oh. I see a Chrysler Dodge Jeep stand over here. Is there a Challenger over here? We're about to find out. Oh my god. Oh, look at that engine. I like that color on the engine block. Oh, it looks like they put carbon fiber on the lettering. Probably fake carbon fiber. Oh, this is a manual. You don't see that every day. Oh my god, look at this truck. Those wheels. I need this in all black. All black.
He was just like playing with the steering wheel. He was like,
oh, let's hop up in this beast. Oh, if I can get my big ass up here. This is a nice ass truck. I like the burgundy color, but I gotta get this in all black. This is nice. Yeah, this is different. I can honestly still not understand the big hype about these Civic Type R's. I mean, they're nice. They got some nice ass wheels. Carbon fiber on the front spline. Carbon fiber on the engine. I mean, don't get me wrong, this one's nice, and I like this blue color. I like the blue with the red, actually. 3 tips in the back. Got some sweet Alcantara type material here. I do like these bucket seats. Manual. I really wish I could drive a manual. But the price for this car is ridiculous. $46,000 for this? What? I'd rather get a WRX STI before I pay $46,000 for this. What the? Y'all are not ready to see this. This is the funniest shit I've ever seen. I can't believe they actually made that. I don't know if this would have fit the actual movie, but you guys gotta see this.
Hey, Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Guys! Fellas.
That is too funny. They got a gang of Hot Wheels. Oh, they got the DeLorean too? That's crazy.
First started there and I drive my truck, you know, the truck's running. And I was like going into turns and I'd be backing out of there.
I'm not getting R8. This ain't gonna work. This is nice. He's over here laughing at me. This is nice though. Ooh, that's a price tag.
That's what I said. This car is sexy as hell.
Damn, I didn't know it was that much. Shit. So far, it's a lot of cool stuff here. I only showed you guys the stuff that was worth seeing, but I still haven't found that one stand that I'm looking for. Y'all got to prepare yourselves for this one, because it's gonna be legendary. Well, you guys, I found the stand I was looking for. Wait till y'all see this car, because y'all seen this car before. Damn.
I figured we got time to relax. Oh, we met before, right? Yeah, we met before many times. I remember you.
I see why people complain about the color. That color changes.
Dude, I know, right? You see it. I've had so many people.
I'm not even a fan of orange.
Right.
But I'm like, damn.
People come up to me at the show and they're like, I see what you mean now. I'm like, yeah, this is why I talk about it all the time. And this is
I've been
not
talking
good
about it every
lighting.
day
This
too.
is bad lighting.
No, this is just in the shade inside.
Yeah, I know. It looks
crazy.
brown
Awesome.
almost in
I
here.
love that burner.
Yeah, if you saw it like direct sunlight right on it, it just
You
glows
see the
like
flames.
yellow or bright orange. It's amazing. Yo, I'm still talking about it.
Kind of bummed that I sat in the R8 and found out I can't fit in it.
Oh, the yellow one in there. That's a great color too.
I can't fit in it. No, I got more room in the 350.
Well, I'll tell you what, man. I'm only like 5'10", and it's pretty tight in there.
Really?
Like, I mean, I'm only like my seat's adjusted right in the middle, so I'd probably have like I feel like if you're 6'2" or up, you would not fit in that.
Yeah, I'm like 6'6" with these boots on.
That'd be too much.
I'd love to see Cletus.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Yeah, how
Cletus
tall?
fits
He's
in
probably
his-
like my
yeah,
size, I
dude,
think.
Yeah, he's
like
I think
about
he is
6'4".
6'6". Yeah.
He's got a custom seat for it.
Yeah, he's tall. Cletus is like Cletus stands next to me. Oh yeah, he's about your
height.
height. Cletus is a tall motherfucker.
I'm actually going to the Philly Auto Show. My boy hit me
Well,
up
that's where
yesterday
most
that
of
I
the
met through
McLarens
YouTube.
Yep.
He said, you going to the Philly show? I was like, well, when is it? He was like, today. I was like,
You're driving up there after this.
Right after this.
Good luck, man. Good luck.
yeah, my boy Vic, he's only about it. He's watching my video right now.
Two more posers, cool. Oh, I didn't even know we were on video. All right, shoot. I have to get into my
Yeah, my boy
character.
Vic's going to be watching this. I told you I was going to meet him.
Good shit, man.
Yeah, me and him just started our channel 4 months ago.
What car stuff? Obviously, just going to car
I just hit
events.
my first 100 this week, so
Okay.
pretty good.
Hey, man, that's awesome.
I didn't even know YouTube sent you an email congratulating you on your first 100.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
I don't think they did what I did. I'm pretty sure that's a new thing.
Yeah, I got an email. I was like,
I'm pretty sure I didn't get it.
yeah, it said congratulations. Your whole email. I was like, oh shit.
Unbelievable. The only well, I think I feel like I remember something like 1,000 or 10,000, and you get the plaque at 100K,
Right.
which is cool. No, I
I
like
love doing it. It's rough though, working full time doing it.
It is, you know, if you look back at a lot of my early videos, they were all like in the evening. Half of them in the winter were at nighttime because like there was,
I haven't been able to do nothing like this for like a good couple months. I was just making videos at my house
but at
because
least
the weather
you're
was
heading into
sucked.
the good season. So you got
really.
the good season of content coming up.
Yeah, I heard there's gonna be a Bugatti at the Philly one, hopefully.
Is there?
Yeah, I gotta see that.
You're
You're not gonna see Bugattis in Central PA.
It's nothing. It's unfortunate, but at least we got a few McLarens out.
You guys know I'm not a fan of Mustangs, but I love the way the older ones look. I like that classic car look. Well, y'all, I said that was a very successful show. I told y'all got to subscribe because this is only the beginning. I told y'all I had something special for y'all. Let me tell y'all, the color of that car, I know a lot of people give him shit about, you know, bragging about the color of the car in every one of his videos, but you have to see that color in person. And even seeing it in person indoors doesn't do it justice. Like, you have to get that shit out in the sunlight. But yeah, that was dope. But I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Gotta walk back to the car. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, leave a comment down below, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll catch you on the next one.